everyone, and today we are going to make an amazing science experiment. Do you know what it is? We are going to make a lemon clock. So this is gifted by Creative Kids. So to make a lemon clock, you need a lemon. Then you need to cut the lemon into 2 pieces. So to cut the lemon, you need an adult's help. Now I'm going to show you the equipments that how to make a lemon clock. So these are the equipments to make a lemon clock. So this is the copper plate and this is the zinc plate. So we need to put 1 copper plate and 1 zinc plate in the first piece, and then another copper plate and another zinc plate in the second piece. And at the end, we're going to put the wires. So there are 3 wires. One is black, one is red, and one is white. So first we are going to attach the black one with the zinc plate, and the red one with the copper plate, and the white one with the copper plate and the zinc plate. Then boom! A lemon clock! Wow! And do you know what I'm going to do with it? So whenever it's my school, I'm going to use the lemon clock so I could wake up early and go to school early. Yeah, that's for real. Since we've done putting the zinc plate and the copper plate, now we are going to put the dial. Let me just get it out. See, this is the dial, and these are the 3 wires. The white one, the black one, and the red one. Now we just need to attach them, then boom! That will show us the time. Okay, let me just attach it. Let me just see the instructions. Oh, first we need to put the black one with the zinc plate. Okay, so with the zinc plate. Yeah, I'm done. And now I'm going to put the red one with the copper plate. Oh, it's even harder than I thought. Now we are going to put the white one with the copper plate and the zinc plate. I can't wait if it's going to work. Ooh. So one copper plate is done. Now I'm just going to do with the zinc plate. Yes, finally, the lemon. Wow, it's working! See? It's working. Oh my God, I can't believe it actually worked. Now from tomorrow, I'm going to wake up early. Wow, see friends? The time is showing us the time. Wow, I can't believe it worked. See? Wow, friends, I can't believe my lemon clock actually worked. Wow! That was the best science experiment ever. Woohoo! And did you see when I cut in my lemon by my own? It looks like I have ninja power. So, hope you guys love this video, and if you want one for yourself, ask your parents to buy one for yourself from Creative Kids. Bye! And friends, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!